Hi, also let's understand difference between RDS versus TTNB in 1 minute. So RDS stands for respiratory distress syndrome, which is common in preterm as we know is due to surfactant deficiency. So RDS presents immediately after birth and it worsens with time. So it worsens within the next 24 to 48 hours. And the X-ray of a RDX will show a classical ground glass appearance. What do we mean by ground glass appearance? Completely white out appearance and with low lung volume because the lungs are not expanded due to surfactant deficiency. Whereas if you come to transient tachypnea of newborn, it is seen in term or near term, not preterm like RDS. It is seen after C-section. So it is basically secondary to delayed in the clearance of fetal lung fluid. So whatever fluid that was there in the lung in the fetal life, if that persists, then the baby will have some distress and that is transient tachypnea. It is transient because it is for some time. It will going to clear out eventually. That's why it's called transient tachypnea and it improves after 24 to 72 hours. The point I mentioned here in the RDS that it worsens within 24 to 48 hours, whereas transient tachypnea improves in 24 to 72 hours. Reason being that whatever fluid was there in the lung gets eventually cleared out. So now if you look at the x-ray of a ttnb baby, there'll be classical sunburst appearance means perihilar streakiness. So if you look at the perihilar region you will see sun rays coming out. It's like a sunburst appearance. And second most important is fissure. This is the horizontal fissure, fluid in the horizontal fissure. As TTNB is due to fluid in the baby's lung due to failure of the clearance of the fluid, so you will see fluid in the horizontal fissure. This is very important differentiation between TTNB and RD. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.